Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vera. In this video, I will show you how to power off on your Oppo A5i. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. There are two ways to turn off the power on this phone. The first way is to push and hold the volume up and power button together like this. And you will see that the power off menu appears, and here you can power off your phone very easy. Okay, the second way is with the classical way, is to push long on the power button like this. But this way doesn't work yet, so we have to set it first. Open your settings menu and then go to additional settings, click it. Okay, next you open power button. Press and hold the power button, you click it and you choose power menu like this. And I will try push long on the power button to turn off. And yep, you can restart your phone and you can power off your phone. I try to power off like this. And yep, successfully my phone is turned off. Okay, to power off you can push it long again on the power button like this. And yep, successfully. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.